Click on the link below to get price. The DJI RC Pro 2 controller for the Mavic 4 Pro drone is a remarkable piece of technology that enhances the flying experience and elevates aerial photography to a new level. Right out of the box, the build quality is impressive, with a sturdy and ergonomic design that feels comfortable in the hands during extended use. The controller boasts a bright 5.5-inch display that is easy to read, even in direct sunlight, ensuring that you can see your flight information and camera feed clearly. One of the standout features of the RC Pro 2 is its low-latency transmission technology, which ensures a seamless connection between the controller and the drone. This results in a responsive flying experience that allows for precise maneuvering and immediate feedback, crucial for capturing those perfect shots. The enhanced range capabilities take your drone further without sacrificing stability or video quality, making it ideal for both enthusiasts and professionals. Battery life is another highlight. The RC Pro 2 controller offers an impressive runtime, allowing for long flight sessions without the worry of running out of power. The onboard storage and compatibility with DJI's various apps also streamline the workflow, providing options for real-time editing and sharing of footage. Customization is an area where the RC Pro 2 shines, as users can program buttons and adjust settings to suit their flying style. This level of personalization is particularly beneficial for those who frequently transition between different shooting modes. However, it's worth noting that the controller may feel slightly bulky for those accustomed to lighter alternatives. While this doesn't detract from its performance, it may require some getting used to for new users. Overall, the DJI RC Pro 2 controller is an essential upgrade for Mavic 4 Pro enthusiasts, enhancing both control and functionality while delivering an exceptional user experience that is hard to match. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting, this controller is sure to impress.